Gravity in Quranic Astronomy Part 1. No matter, no gravity. Gravity is in operation only between materials. In the beginning there was no matter and gravity. How the creation began. Building blocks of the material creation Allah, SWT, made all the heavenly bodies including the stars, galaxies, planets, meteors, comets or other small solid materials as well as gases, smoke, elements, atoms, and subatomic particles from the energies is stated in the Quran. Quran 51:47.
وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ.
We have built the heaven with might, energy, and we, who are continuously expanding the vastness of heavens as well as increasing the use of energy. The energy is converted into matter. Therefore the matter can be converted to energy. This shows that the matter and energy are interconvertible. Albert Einstein's above formula partially proves this fact. His idea enabled people to make atom bombs, which creates a large amount of destructive energy from the matter. The Holy Quran predicts that its truth will be made clear to the people as the time advances.
وَلَتَعْلَمُنَّ نَبَأَهُ بَعْدَ حِينٍ. سَنُرِيهِمْ آيَاتِنَا فِي الْآفَاقِ وَفِي أَنفُسِهِمْ حَتَّى يَتَبَيَّنَ لَهُمْ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ. أَوَلَمْ يَكْفِ بِرَبِّكَ أَنَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ شَهِيدٌ.
The energy is converted to matter. The same energy is used for continued expansion of the matter. The matter in turn is producing different forms of energy. The energy the sun produces is partially used on the earth for the purpose of food production. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants produce food for its own growth and for all other forms of life. Life on the earth is mainly due to the presence of the sun. It supplies light, heat and many other forms of energy directly and indirectly. These days solar power is used for producing electricity. The sun controls the weather patterns, waves and tides, etc. Similarly, enormous activities are going on in other stars and cosmic bodies. All these can be attributed to the original energy. Electrons and protons, due to their opposite charges, negative and positive, combine to form basic elements like hydrogen. Enormous amount of hydrogen join together due to fusion reactions to form stars and other heavenly bodies including the Earth. The reactants such as 4 hydrogen atoms produces helium by fusion reactions. The result is a loss in weight. The lost weight is equivalent to the amount of energy produced. This is what the background picture represents. A combination of gaseous hydrogen resulted in large gas balls like stars and the sun. It is interesting to imagine that gravity has such capability of bringing atoms of hydrogen together to form enormous stars which are millions of times larger than our Earth. All the bodies which exist in the space are held together by orbits of gravity. 13:2. Allah it is who raised up the heavens without visible pillars, supports. 31:10. He has created the heavens without pillars, supports, that ye can see.
الله الذي رفع السماوات بغير عمد ترونها ثم استوى على العرش وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى يدبر الأمر يفصل الآيات لعلكم بلقاء ربكم توقنون. خلق السماوات بغير عمد ترونها وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وبث فيها من كل دابة وأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج كريم.
In the absence of any other disturbing or opposing force, the gravity produced in between hydrogen atoms plays a very significant role to make such enormous objects like stars of huge size. This process is called accretion, accumulation. As the amount of hydrogen increases, the size of the star enlarges. The larger the size, the greater the gravity. As the gravity and pressure increases, so does the production of heat and light and disintegration by explosion. Here are 4 hydrogen atoms fusing together to form one helium atom. Out of the 4 electrons of the 4 atoms, 2 are used for producing 2 neutrons. The resulting product is less in weight than the total weight of the 4 hydrogen atoms. This fusion reaction results in giving out energy. This is what is happening in our Sun. In stars larger than the Sun, the fusion reaction produces higher elements as shown in the table below. Higher elements are produced by fusion reaction in huge stars at multimillion degrees Celsius under enormous pressure due to gravity. The production of higher elements due to nuclear reactions increases the density, heat and light of the star, resulting in an explosion. They explode and disintegrate as black holes, other type of stars, planets, meteors, meteorites, gas, smoke etc. Reference to such situations are given in the Holy Quran 53:1, 77:8, 81, 1-2, 82:2, 85:9, 86:1-3 etc.
والنجم إذا هوى فلا أقسم بمواقع النجوم وإنه لقسم لو تعلمون عظيم. إذا الشمس كورت وإذا النجوم انكدرت وإذا الكواكب انتثرت.
Some meteors fall onto the planets like our Earth. Russia is the location of a recent meteor strike. The black stone of the Kaaba is also a meteorite. Quran says that the metals like iron has been sent to Earth in this way from outer space.
لقد أرسلنا رسلنا بالبينات وأنزلنا معهم الكتاب والميزان ليقوم الناس بالقسط وأنزلنا الحديد فيه بأس شديد ومنافع للناس وليعلم الله من ينصره ورسله بالغيب إن الله قوي عزيز.
And we have made the iron, wherein is great strength and advantages to men. Wherever the heavenly bodies like sun, moon, earth, stars etc. are mentioned in Quran, the gravity, time, space, energy are part of the discussion. Also it refers to the Big Bang, Big Crunch, black hole etc.